This is the 3D Viewmaster fairy tale Alibaba and the 40 Thieves, one of the most famous and thrilling stories from the Arabian Nights. Viewmaster Reel 1. Qasim to Alibaba. Find work elsewhere. Go and cut wood. Picture 2. Alibaba discovers the thief's cave. Picture 3. Thanks to the password, Alibaba finds great wealth. Picture 4. Alibaba's wife. Let us weigh the gold. Picture 5. Qasim. Tell me the magic password or I'll strangle you. Picture 6. Qasim has forgotten the formula. He can't get out. Picture 7. The captain orders the intruder to be dismembered. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1. Alibaba discovers Qasim's dismembered body. Picture 2. Alibaba. How shall we tell his wife? Picture 3. Morgian leads the cobbler to her master's house. Picture 4. The captain. Who will find me Alibaba's house? Picture 5. A thief helped by the cobbler marks the house. Picture 6. Morgian fools the scheming thief. Picture 7. The disguised captain cheats her anyhow. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1. The thieves are hiding in the jars. Picture 2. Morgian pours boiling oil into each jar. Picture 3. She explains the thief's death to her master. Picture 4. The captain poses as a rich merchant. Picture 5. Morgian dances the dance of the dagger. Picture 6. Morgian, you killed our guest, mourns Alibaba. Picture 7. Morgian marries into the family of Alibaba. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.